Please subscribe to NS channel and click the bell icon for more interesting updates. Hey guys, what's up? This is Shahul from NS channel. Today in this video I am going to unboxing something cool product from Paytm. Because few days ago I got a package from Paytm. I don't know what is inside. I recently asked the Paytm to send me some review products. So Paytm sent me a first review product. I don't know what is inside. I am very excited to open this one. Okay guys, don't waste any more time. Let's go for unboxing. Hey guys, first of all we are going to unboxing. Please subscribe my channel. Please like my videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more interesting videos. Here's the product guys. Comes from the Paytm. I'm very excited, so let's go for unboxing. Here I am using the blade to open this package because the packing is too hard to secure your product. Maybe something interesting inside. Just I think. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, guys, this is a Bluetooth joystick. Wow, it is a good Bluetooth joystick. Thank you Paytm for giving me this Bluetooth joystick. Wow, the box is looking too cool. And you may connect this joystick with your smartphone, gamepad, and smart TV, and smart box. And you may connect this one with PC also. It is made in China. And here you can see some features about this joystick. If you want to read, you may read and follow the guidelines to use this joystick. Okay, I'm going to open. Here is the product. It's not coming, man. Too hard. Here we go. Yeah, finally it be out. Nothing more in package. Box. Here is the charging cable to charge your joystick. And here is the joystick guys, coming in a case. Wow. The build quality is looking very awesome. You may see here the grip. It is available in two sides. Two-side grip. It is very smooth, and here you can see the buttons and home button and the triggers. And here see the charging port to charge your joystick. Here is the triggers, left and right triggers. It is very comfortable in your hands. Once check the user guide. Yeah, here is the user guide guys. If you want to know more about this joystick, you may read this user guide. It is totally in Chinese and backside available in English. Okay. Now I am going to connect this joystick with my mobile phone Redmi S2. Here we go. When you press together home and X button, it will be start searching for the devices. You can see light is blinking on the joystick. Here I am clicking on the Bluetooth address. Once it will be paid, light is stopped. Yeah. Now it is connected with my phone. Light also be stopped. You can see here. It is looking awesome, right? It is also be useful like a mouse. You can see on the screen. Yes. This is a back button, I think. So much difference between Bluetooth and wire. Yeah, you can see the. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to play a game with this joystick. Okay, here's the game guys. It's a racing game. Let's see how much it will be worked. Yeah. Wow guys, it is looking too good and working also too good. You can see here the stability of joystick is good, and game also moving in a smooth way. Wow, nice. You can connect this joystick with your PC also.